Good morning, Tech Stars. Hope all is well. My name is Chaz Graham, and I'm the founder of Titan Core Technologies. I'm a former owner operator. Been in the freight industry for a little over 5 years now, and I'm running 2 trucks as we speak. Stepped out of the day-to-day operations just to kind of focus on trying to clear up this situation we have in the freight industry that is very, very frustrating to me and frustrating to a lot of my fellow truckers, a lot of brokers as well, a lot of shippers. It's this issue of the fraud, of the scams, of the losses that we take, and that ultimately affects our entire country, ultimately affects more than just me and the bottom line of profits. So one of the things that I've noticed, right, which is something that's obvious, it's pretty obvious, but it's also noticeable just considering the time period that we're in. Freight still clears on emailed pickup numbers. It sounds crazy, considering we're in 2026, but it's true. High value loads get dispatched every day with some email credentials, doc releases to freight, and then they wonder why, $400,000 worth of lobster goes missing because literally anybody pretty much can pick up the freight. Yes, they have verification of the carrier. Yes, they have verification of, whether your credentials, your driver's license, and, these different things are who you say you are, but it stops there, right? So it's like, it's the equivalent of you ordering something off of Uber Eats, and it tells you who's showing up, what their car is going to look like, what's their name, and then when they get there, that's not the person, that's not the car, because realistically you just need an email, password, sign in, you can be anybody. It's literally the same issue that we have. So I have founded this company to really start. Initially, we're going to start out not trying to come into the industry and just make a full-on change, but we're definitely going to start eliminating this fraud and cutting it and draining it from where it is being originated from, which is not just it's more of a cyber thing. It's more people are creating. You can create a fake company and intercept an email. This is a major issue for me. This is a major issue that I think is going to continue to get bigger if we don't start focusing on it right now. Once freight leaves the dock, the loss is locked. I've spoken to a lot of brokers who absorb six-figure losses from pickup fraud. Not just money, but weeks of claims, disputes, carrier finger pointing, insurance friction, and operational cleanup. It drags on the margins and the team morale overall. And the problem isn't just visibility, it's release control. We're inserting a required validation step between dispatch and doc release that cannot be satisfied by just email credentials. So on our Titan required lanes, right? Pickup requires a non-transferable execution token tied to a verified carrier, which is tied to the driver, which is tied to a device and to their vehicle. If that token is invalidated live at the dock, release doesn't happen. We are not trying to fix freight yet. We're proving one enforceable gate on one high-risk lane. That's what we're doing. So in the next 90 days, we will deploy a token engine, complete 1 to 2 TMS integrations, govern 50 to 100% live, 50 to 100 live loads on a single mandated lane, and then we will be able to prove how efficient, how secure our platform is. We're looking to prove the enforceable lane governance, but also at the same time, we want to be, realistic. We're not trying to scale too prematurely. If we can enforce 1 to 2 lanes, materially reduce exposure up to 44%, and workflow drag, expansion becomes inevitable, mechanical, and something that is going to be fully required for the industry overall. That's what we're doing here at Titan Core Technologies. I really appreciate you guys' time. Hope you have a great day.